In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fonts Ninja to Chrome. Fonts Ninja is a handy tool that helps you identify the fonts you see on websites in just a click. So let's walk through the safe and reliable way to get it set up in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it directly in your browser. Then once you're there, use the search bar and type Fonts Ninja. You should see the official Fonts Ninja listing appear in the results. Open that page to review details like the description and user reviews so you know you're getting the right extension from the trusted source. Now it's time to install. On the Fonts Ninja page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up explaining the permissions the extension needs. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will handle the download and installation automatically, and you'll see a brief confirmation message when it's done. After installation, the Fonts Ninja icon may appear in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. If it doesn't show up immediately, don't worry. That just means it's in your extensions menu and we'll pin it next. To keep Fonts Ninja easy to access, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in the top right of Chrome. This opens a list of all your installed extensions. Find Fonts Ninja in the list and click the small pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Fonts Ninja icon visible on your toolbar, so you can launch it quickly whenever you're browsing. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Fonts Ninja works best on live text on websites, not on text that's part of an image or a screenshot. If you try to inspect a banner or a logo that's actually an image, the extension won't be able to read the font. You can bookmark fonts you discover for later, which is great for building a personal library or saving inspirations. And if you ever want to pause or turn it off, just go back to the extensions menu via the puzzle icon and toggle it off or manage its settings there. If you don't see the icon after installing, try refreshing the page or restarting Chrome. Signing into Chrome also helps sync your extensions across devices. That's it. You've safely added Fonts Ninja to Chrome and pinned it for quick access. Happy font hunting and enjoy exploring the typography behind your favorite sites.